HIV have to do with me? Nothing.
HIV? I'm not gonna catch that.
Me only deal with girl with clean.
Me too young for that reach me.
I enjoy my youth. I for go and explore. After me no funny.
Saturday, another day. Mellow groove. Another morning to make a move. Moving through faded memories of this week worries. Ah, sweet. Spirit ready to unload. Body wanting to unwind. Emotion pulsing to explode. Weekend waiting to blow my mind. Perfect. Perfectly ordinary morning. Me melting to the music of the city crowd. Loving the life. The rhythm warm and loud.
Yeah, man.
Sure. How are this? How is dopey this? This crosses. Vice of a youth with flesh like a witch. Like a itch. Itching a memory hard to scratch. Sickening to watch. Skin scared and sore. Ear thin and dry. Young girl face with all woman eye. Making my skin crawl and my stomach cry. Scream. She stand here like a snapshot from a distant dream. Yeah. Family like this princess, yeah. Who she? Makes you feel so she can't drip on me. Perhaps if I give her the seat, she will get the picture. Or maybe if I don't pay her no mind, she will go away. Make a look on this nice other lady side of me.
I heard that you're a student.
Yes, I'm a student. This is actually a research assignment.
As the priest explained, I try not to watch her crying. So young and healthy looking. Couldn't believe she was dying. Took her baby to the clinic. Doctor said both of them sick. The baby born healthy. Got the virus through she. Trying to do her best, giving her child the breast. The breast is best, is what she was taught. Now look at what it brought. She deal with the burden of guilt on top of the shame and the pain of her plight. Can't sleep another night.
Hey, Ras. You remember me? I got you sick here like you don't know me. And me, man, Delray. Me look bad, don't it? You know what I said? You know what I said? When them carry me come here, nobody not come look for me. Nobody, you know. And the class is girl there. She bring me to this. One time, I used to hear about this thing, but I never know it would have reached me. Ras, I'm finished. Ras, me are dead.
I say that star, man. Everything I got right, you know. I'm to you.
With the matter running from his eyes, nostril, he looked bad. Yet I felt like hugging him still. Just to comfort and assure him that people care even though life rough. It was hard to see a man reduced to this. A man like Delroy.
My youth, the school that I get heavy, you know, see? The stars ready for the cutting table. So wait, you're not married man? What happened if man married? From a cat to get killed, a cat to get killed. Then my youth, she not too young for you? Too young? Yeah. From shot that mama she to get to the hammer. Huh? What's up?
It's a little school girl, a 4-time walk that, you know. So go like shall be fit. A big skettle bomb that star. I mean, you say Billy and him cool them patriarch. She gonna walk like a champion ass.
Teenager when I had it. You got a rifle. I feel like I pick the fruit before the boy, but I kind of start fresh sight.
John, man a dog in a star.
Yeah, but no ordinary dog, bro. Man a pedigree. Blood down dog.
If you don't deal with them girl a case, they won't call you soft and I'll call you boy.
Don't know. Girl no want a funny man. Dig, they want a money man.
You don't know. Man have no time to play. Lele. Man have to kill them one a day.
Man are no fool, a man have them tool, man have to use it and abuse it. How? Man a man, and you don't know a Samantan.
A Samantan.
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 A Samantan.
Samantan.
A Samantan.
Samantan. The girl Phyllis a laugh. One time she was Miss Ati. Nice and healthy.
So you two cut you?
No, that's the girl Carly. One come cat me up over the foreigner. She feeds every man is fair.
Foreigner look you too. Go on here, girl. Have me here say him let's have the Kyla money and many other things.
At that bun the girl. She forget the bag of broke pocket man, them are always the act her body and not get nothing. And she walk and fight off me over my hat at foreigner.
Come up to you and Delroy.
Delroy cannot afford this. You said Delroy no money and no money.
Hey, boy, happy sure. Come fix me up here. She a go on and me and I'm gonna go tonight again.
Who is real mix up and blender? So you and him go out already?
Morgan's Harbour last night, shrimp and lobster, champagne hotel room. Trust me, baby love, guess the rest.
Me afraid of foreigner, missus. None of them are freak, and it's them bring disease come here. Him use protection.
Me no know.
You don't know?
Look, me never asked. Me just shut my eye and just go on with my thing.
You mad? Vibes? Something cannot go in your body, and you don't look to see our.
What can we do to make it stop? Stop. Every day, another one. Drop.
Yeah, Got a first-hand look. And even read them some poetry. The story is touching, but I decide not to make it touch me. Don't think I'm too anxious to go back there. Pain and heartache. Too much to bear. As how you'd want someone treat you, that's how you should treat the next. Glad I never get vexed. Now this, perfect. Perfectly painful reminder that life is joy and pain, pleasure and misery. And the HIV or no HIV, humanity is humanity. Which one you recommend?
Casanova.
You mean how much one?
Barcelona.
I wait then. Come on.
HIV, it's not gonna catch me. HIV now catch you? Hey, listen up, you. The only way to guarantee that is to avoid unsafe practices. Abstain. And if you can't abstain, use protection. It's as simple as that.
Me only deal with girls who are clean.
Yo, my youth. I wonder if you know that somebody can look clean and pretty and healthy and still be infected with HIV. Better start use a condom, cause HIV, AIDS, you walk with signs.
You're too young for that reach me.
Wrong. It affects all ages. Even some very young or newborn babies can be infected with HIV/AIDS. So we are never too young. We know so much about so many things. Some of us are just not using our understanding and knowledge about sex and diseases to change how we behave. And that's when trouble comes.
I enjoy my youth. I have to go and explore. After I'm not funny.
Trust me, you can find more than 101 different ways of enjoying your youth and thousands of other things to explore apart from sex. Now, don't get me wrong. Sex is a wonderful thing, but it's safer when you have one faithful partner, and even safer still when you use a condom. So use it, please.